He's a chugging.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Cody Hamm, and once again I'm in my 1567 power truck with the goose behind it. And today we are headed up to Quality Diesel Performance up in Columbus City, Indiana. It's early Saturday morning on Memorial Day weekend. I hope you guys are having fun, being safe, and enjoying your 3-day weekend. And we're on our way to pick up my sled pulling truck. It just got dyno tuned up there, and I'll tell you guys later on what it made. I'm pretty happy with the numbers. Also, they're doing a dyno day in Show and Shine, so we'll hopefully get some content on that about some cool looking trucks, and maybe hopefully see some other trucks make big numbers on the dyno. Weather is not doing so good today, kind of rainy, so hopefully it clears up later on. But stay tuned. Hey guys, we made it. Ready to walk up to the event, see how it is, see what the turnout is. Weather's still kind of shitty, but on the radar it says it's supposed to stop raining anytime soon. So I just heard the dyno go. It is an in-house dyno, so check it out, see what it is. We got the tow rig and the goose all backed up. Later on, be loading up the sled pulling truck. Now that's a hell of a setup right there. Enclosed triple axle with a 450 Platinum. Money. That's a hell of a setup right there. 12 valve, P pumped. Cow hood on the old 50. Nice blue. Clean OBS. With some welds. Just need some clear headlights. Lowered 6.0 blue. Got the cow hood and visor. Limited duty style mirrors. I like this blue. Clean cat eye. Work rig. Fortune on some Weld OG Cheyenne's. Early fab sector swamp? Or is that just for the intake? It looks like different style manifold. Usually the whirly fabs came with a speed steep. Michael Asher's 4th gen. He has a blue 2nd gen that will be in the Synergy booth at UCC. Beautiful LB7 single cab. Clean. Of course, got my boy Sam over here. We'll be doing an interview on this truck soon, so I won't show much of it. cow hood, billet insert, sport bumper. $599, 1,000 pounds of torque for that red second gen. Pretty stout. Here, a little second gen watch action. Got the OG logo. Does it steer weird or anything on your wrist? Yeah. $184 was 1765 on NOS. She's a chugging. Oh yeah, she's got plenty of fuel. Aired out. Crew cab square. Sam over here just about to blow some shit up.
Yeah. Shit out.
Look at that. That turbo sounds like the RPG getting ready to take off. I like that spoiler in the back of the cab there. That's a nice touch. Ooh, like that. It's like a root beer brown. KGs, some specialties. Well, that's old school. Some specialties. You don't see them too often. Dang, throw it back to like 2015. I like that. 2015 Hamm. 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 triple setup. This Duramax made 1,046 on fuel only earlier on the dyno.
Alright, there's times it's tricky though. I mean, you come over here and see this.
You gotta clean that.
Fire out, you'll fog it real bad.
Simple and clean.
What's the setup on us?
S480, it is a 20/67, 14 mil mains, rods, willow rods. It's our street performance head, just with the side draft, DDP super metals, 210 mil pumps, triple disc clutch, stock G, like 480.
With what, 18? What is that? 1822?
Yeah.
Look at that thing. Lower crew cab dually roll pan. Gotta let her get warmed up there. Big fuel. What we guessing, Sam? What we guessing power wise?
Probably over 300.
Over 300?
Yeah, that's easy.
I was gonna say 285, but all right. That vibrates the car.
That's what I'm talking about.
Woo!
I'd say that's a little over 300.
All right, 301. 1746 to 2582. We walked back to the pulling truck. We're gonna get this thing loaded up on the trailer. Probably walk back, see a couple of dyno pulls, and then head back home. Probably hang out with the boys tonight. What up, guys? It's the next day. Other than the weather being crappy for the whole Memorial Day weekend, I hope you guys are still out enjoying it. Quality Diesel Performance Dyno and Show and Shine yesterday was fun. We still all had a good time. The Show and Shine still had some good trucks out there, good looking trucks. There was 33 trucks on a dyno yesterday. Some pretty big numbers. I didn't get all of them. I apologize for that. I think the highest one was like an 1890 on fuel only from Dimitri and his Duramax. And then there was a 6-liter made over 1700 on fuel. And there was a Cummins that made over 1300. It was a stock G56. He made the highest power for Cummins. All cool trucks, pretty big numbers, impressive numbers for some fuel only. I'd like to get Brian, he's the owner of Quality Diesel Performance. I would like to get him on as an interview, but he was busy hosting the event and dyno and trucks. So I didn't want to bother him or anything. I'm impressed with the numbers. I'll have to show you guys the dyno sheet in a second. Mine made 982 horsepower on fuel only. I know it ain't nothing crazy or big, but I'm pretty happy with it. Eventually I want to hit that 1,000 mark. We could make it, but Brian was saying I'm already pushing the limits because I got stock bottom end and I'm still on stock head bolts. Impressive for a stock motor, other than obviously I got fuel and a built trans. But I'm happy with it for right now. Eventually I'll probably do some internals in the future. We'll do some content on that. I got to do some more odds and ends to this. It's going to have some more content, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, big shout out to Brian and getting this thing dialed in, and his team. They do a great job. They host a good event. They are out. I said Columbus City. I meant Columbia City, Indiana. I'll have their information, their phone number, where they're at in the description below. Hit them up if you guys need dynoing, if you guys need mechanical work done, or if you want to go fast, or if you sled pull. They are really big into sled pulling. They won UCC last year for sled pulling. They've won already a couple sled pulls this year. Yeah, see them guys at UCC and at some of these bigger events. Guys local in Indiana, or tell Brian Cody Hamm sent you. But we're back at home. Yesterday after I left the diesel event, I stopped at my boy Tanner's, hung out with the boys for a little bit, and then I came home late last night. Didn't feel like unloading. Eventually I'll unload it. It's raining again today, so please like and subscribe. Tell your friends about it. There's going to be more content. Like I said, next weekend we got Edgewater down in Cleves, Ohio. I think we're going to have they got drag racing going on. They got like 670 index, 570, 770. They got some big payouts. They got burnout pit. They got show and shine. Hopefully the weather is better for that next weekend. So catch us there for that. And then the following weekend we got UCC. So that's going to be a really cool event, fun time. So I guess I'll catch you guys later. Oh, one last thing, guys. I mentioned it, but I didn't show you guys. Here it is. So, I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Let's see. 982 max power and 1673 for torque. We'll hit that 1,000 mark one day. But for right now, this will do.